Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. Today we are discuss about how to install the Sketchup software. Before we installing the software, first we download the file. After that, and extract the file. In the installation, we can off the internet connection and also disable the firewall protection. After the extracting the file and open the extracted file. So select Sketchup Pro in and right click, go to Run as an Administrator and then click on Yes. Select Install and then click on Next. If you want change the location, can change. Otherwise, go to Next and select Install. Wait until the procedure is completed. Click on Finish. The Sketchup will be installed, but it is not a cracked version. So if you want to crack the software, go to Crack. And if you want information, select on this file. This is the procedure for cracking the software. So select the logout, go to C program file Sketchup 18 logout. This is for the cracking procedure. So select logout, copy and then go to this PC, program C, program files, Sketchup 2018 and then select on logout and then paste the file. Replace the file destination. Continue. After that, select Style Builder and select a Style Builder and then paste here. And again select Sketchup and Sketchup.exe file. Copy then paste here. And select on the Sketchup application. Choose template, select any template and start using Sketchup. This is for the Sketchup installation. This is the installation procedure. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you guys.